very good. So I've been coming to these kind of events for a couple of years, and I consider this event to be a mini version of the Temenos TCF that is held globally. And I've attended quite a few of those. So I think this is a very useful event for bankers to attend, and especially not the technology leaders, but the actual people who run the bank, the business side, compliance, risk, and operations should be attending these events, because there's a lot of useful information that we can take back, whether if you're using the Temenos or not, or if you're thinking about changing a core banking solution. I think this is a very useful event. So it's like I would connect that to the evolution that we as humans have gone through, and the different revolutions that have come through. The industrialization, then the .com, then obviously the digital. So I think at this point in time, the banking is at a pivot stage. Like, for example, if the traditional banks in Pakistan, they don't transform and they don't change, right? The way they interact with the customers, the way they do the banking right now, what products should they offer, how quickly can they turn around a customer request, and how quickly can they bring people on board? That's another thing. Like, on board their core bank and with the account, starting from account to the adoption of the digital channels. It's very important. And obviously, it is all being driven by the experience that we can give to the customers. So I think it's a very important stage at this time. You heard about the digital banks coming in, getting the licenses. They're going to bring in a lot of challenge for the banking industry and the landscape in Pakistan. So I think every bank should be looking to evolve, to transform. The challenges are, getting the right people in place. You can bring in the best technology, but it would not work if you don't have the right partner or the right, people in there and the talent. So the other challenge is maintaining the talent, retraining them, reskilling them. That's very important, and I think is a big challenge for banks right now. I think the turnaround time is one of the biggest challenges we're trying to solve. And obviously, and also engaging the customer more, and switching some of the services from the back office to the front office. Obviously reducing the load at the back office is one of the biggest challenges that we're facing right now due to some reasons, but we're working on to resolve them going forward.